Hello baby lovers, welcome to another episode of Baby's Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to be making pepper soup with fresh fish. Yes, our fresh fish. We are using mostly the head today because I've been craving for pepper soup, And as a cook, what else? I have to do what I know how to do best. So we are going to be making this fresh pepper soup and we will serve it with rice. Here goes how to make fresh fish pepper soup served with white rice. Let's get cooking, baby lovers. Oh, by the way, if you are watching to this period, to this level, and you have not subscribed, you have not liked, you have not shared, because waiting I do. No more will talk, more I cover pot shifts. Come closer, baby lovers. Guys, I don't understand. It takes a lot for me to be able to create content. The usual me, I'm a shy person, but I'm trying everything within my possible best, to create content. The least people will do is to subscribe, share, be cool. I'm begging. Support your girl. It's not easy. Okay. Oregano. Not cute. Crayfish. So you can add paddy crayfish. Okay, so we are using, there are 3 different types of fish here right here now. Our croaker head, our tilapia head, and our catfish head. How many people like eating head of fish? Do you like eating head of fish? I tell you, my best part in fish is the head. I love eating the head of fish. Alright, so we are going to allow it to steam until properly cook. Then we can go in with our water. That's the crayfish. Okay, so this is my pepper soup spice. I'm going to show you how I blend it. This is the most important aspect of this pepper soup spice. Very medicinal. Please bring the uyayak and those one. The secret ingredients to pepper soup is the blending. Okay. So when you add your spice, you have to check it. Continue. No, give me a cup. This is how it comes. What I need from you is crayfish. This is yayak. Yes, very, very important. This is yayak. I don't know what they call it in English. I'll look for the English name. Okay, not much, just a little. Oh God, this thing is very romantic. The aroma is on top of the water. So if you go to the market, you can ask those women that sells pepper soup spice about the yaya. Very medicinal, especially for digestion. I can now go in with my crayfish. I'm going to plant my crayfish. That's my crayfish. Do not touch your water to make this okay. Wonderful bombardment. I'm telling you people, if you do not want to have abortion, if you are pregnant, please stay clear of this my pepper soup recipe. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you want a flat tummy, if you want your blood to be pumping, in fact, if you are a man and before you want to go and do ta 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 with your woman or wife, tell her, let her cook this pepper soup recipe for you. I'm telling you people. Have it. Okay, so now that this is ready, we can now go in with our fish so that everything will boil out. And then the soup is ready, guys. Very gently. Okay. This one. This fish, there's no way to not scatter, especially edge. but we still try to salvage as much as we can. So we have something to present to you. Okay. This is you love it. Okay, I'll put it on. Okay, so our rice is ready. This is our white rice. It's just for the pepper soup to be ready. Sorry guys, a little bit of this. Cover it for a while and let it boil so that everything can mix together. Then you can so you allow it to boil out. Okay, so it's gonna boil, and then when everything is boiled out, you cannot go in with your sauce. So this is the last. Just so we are clear, this uyayak is not edible. It has served its purpose. You can take it out if you wish.